Hi, we're talking about the cooling system today, and I want to go over a few things on it individually from some of the other services that are recommended. But what are the components of a cooling system, and what might I need to do if I had a major service overhaul that would need to be done? Well, we have a pump that's going to circulate the fluid. We're going to have hoses. We're going to have a radiator, and obviously we're cooling the engine. Now, 40, 50 years ago, we basically had four hoses. We had heater hoses, and we had a upper radiator hose and a low radiator hose, and maybe a little dinky little hose in there somewhere. And we had the radiator, and we had the engine and a thermostat, and that was pretty much it. Well, today we got hoses buried everywhere, completely different designed systems for whatever reasons, emissions, the design, the way the engine is, trying to fit everything in. Our bottles over here, our radiators down here, they've got to have these hoses to keep the fluid flowing. So here's another hose over here. We could potentially have 12 to 13 hoses, and they're all the same age. We go in there and we always replace this one and this one, but really there's more to it. Now, cooling system should be serviced every 2 years. You should replace that fluid, completely drain out that fluid. Before you do that, you should have it serviced with a detergent to clean everything out, so you're getting everything out, all of the sediments, all of the things that can turn this fluid into acid, which basically turns your cooling system into a battery. If we go too long with the cooling system, literally this was a big problem when they came out with the extended life coolant in the 90s. It would take your nice pickup and turn your engine into a battery, and it would literally eat holes in the gaskets and the intakes in the trucks. And I know that from a personal experience. I had to replace an engine because the cooling system was not serviced. All right? So getting that fluid out, it resets and recycles the lifetime of the fluid, and that's going to extend the age if you're having a catastrophic problem with engine gaskets, engines, radiators. Basically, if it goes too long, you have all these different metal parts in there, it turns into a battery and things start to corrode very fast. So every 2 years, get the cooling system.